Hey, it's Marc Schaeffer from the Harkov Lewis team at Brown Harris Stevens, and I'm here at our newest exclusive, 209 East 56th Street. Let me take you in right past the doorman, who's here for 24 hours a day, to show you apartment 4, CD. Upon entering the unit, you walk into this really open floor plan. Kitchen opens right up to the living room, to the dining room, all three rooms in nice harmony. Can you imagine yourself sitting here on the island, having a cup of coffee, or cooking a meal and entertaining with your friends all around? And this space is finished off with a really large walk-in closet tucked right behind the kitchen. The second bedroom has beautiful custom built-ins, easily fits a king-size bed, and has southern exposure. Some other niceties of this apartment include wall-through air conditioning, a washer and dryer closet, the second bath, and a separation between the primary and the secondary bedrooms. The primary bedroom easily fits a king-size bed, has a really nice closet here, ensuite bathroom, and the bathroom has a linen closet as well. One of the perks of a combination unit like this are 6 closets. Closets galore. 209 East 56 is a 13-story post-war co-op where residents enjoy the convenience of a full-time doorman, additional laundry room, and furnished roof deck. The building is pet-friendly and allows pied-à-terres, subletting, and gifting with board approval. Thanks so much for joining me at 209 East 56th Street. You need to come see this place in person. It's huge, it has great closets, and I think you'll really enjoy living here.